15 comparative idioms. These boxes are light as a feather. The opposite is, this box is heavy as shit. Are the clothes still wet? No, they're dry as a bone. My hair is as flat as a pancake. He's mad as a hornet. He's as old as the hills. Yes, I'm over the hill. I'm going to the mall, but I'll be as quick as lightning. He's as sick as a dog, or you could say he's as white as a sheet. But white as a sheet is also, she's as white as a sheet. That means something that she saw really scared her. He's as strong as an ox. They're as different as night and day. He's as stubborn as a mule. She's as proud as a peacock. The swing Dad put up is as solid as a rock. The bike will be as good as new when he's done fixing it. It's as clear as mud. That means it's very confusing. If you want to learn more vocabulary words and see how they're used, check out one of these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, please keep practicing.